Hi lovelies, welcome to TechSoft tutorial. Today's video tutorial will teach you how to sort your data in Google Sheets. To begin, open up your Google Sheets you want to sort in your web browser. Then you select all the range of data you want to sort. You could either sort the names section, the country section, or the age section. So let's try sorting the age section. So you select all the data you want to sort. Then you click on the data tab at the top of the screen and select sort range. In the options that comes with the sort range, you choose or you click on advanced range sorting options. Now you tick the data as header row option and you click on the drop down in the sort by and you select age. You can choose to pick from A to Z, that means ascending to descending order, or from Z to A, that means descending to ascending order, depending on your choice. So when you're done with the selection, you click on sort. Now you can see that the numbers with the smallest age range appears first, followed by the other set and finally the largest number. So that is how you sort your data in Google Sheets. And if you want to sort the alphabet section, you select the datas, you click on the data tab, you sort range and you select A to Z or Z to A. So that is it guys. You have successfully sorted out your data in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more useful content like this. Bye.